welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. So thank you so much for being here. Please click that little red button to subscribe to my channel. I'm posting new videos all the time to keep us up to date on what's happening here within ourselves and, of course, in the world of energy as we continue this journey. So this month, as we know, February was going to be our big month of new energy coming in. We have 4 portals coming in this month. The first one was on February 2nd. This is the 222 year, of course, 2022, February 2nd, 2222. And the second one is coming up on 211. So why is that a 22? Because what we do in numerology is we always take the numbers and add them together to get one number. So the 11 becomes a 2. So it becomes 22-2022. So this is portal number 2. Now, the first one we had was right before Mercury retrograde last week, and that one came in a little slower. Now we have a couple of days after this retrograde to kind of start adjusting our energy for what's going on. And this second one is, I believe, when we're going to really start feeling the ramp up. Now, you may, I know myself personally, and a lot of people I've worked with and spoken to have already experienced a lot of this energy. You're feeling it in your body. So you may be feeling it because, again, as it comes in, this heavy, intense energy, and it's elevating us, but it's removing dense energy from us. So when that happens, our physical bodies have to adjust. So you may be having a lot of symptoms to go along with it, like, for example, headaches are one. I get a lot of stuff here in my crown. It may also be up in this area. You also may have a sore throat, runny nose, things like that, body aches, back aches, pains in your body, in your knee joints, a whole bunch of different things that could be coming as we go through this process of elevation. Now, this second one also carries the 11 energy. So understand there are certain numbers that are very high vibration, 11, 22, 33, 44. These are all numbers that carry high energy. So this portal of the 4 is the only one that does not have all 2s in it. It has the 11 element. So the 11 element is always about unity. It's about starting. It's about refreshment. It's about refreshing ourselves. So this one also has that. So this week, be ready, because we're starting to go into a lot of changes and a lot of new vibration and frequency. When this happens, this energy is going to push you into a position where it's trying to get you in alignment with your highest and greatest self. So if you're resisting doing things that you really want to do, or living where you want to live, or whatever it is, maybe you're working where you don't want to be working, whatever it is that's happening in your life that's out of alignment, this energy is going to start pushing you into that space. So you have 2 options. You can go with the flow, go with the program, or you could resist. So if you're hanging around and doing something that you don't want to do, or you're resisting change, or you get an opportunity maybe to move somewhere else and you're afraid, all these things are coming because your soul is trying to get you to that next place, to that higher place. And remember, your soul is always working for your highest and greatest good. So it's trying to get you into a position where you can thrive and you can do your best. And that's what this new energy is all about. It's about change. It's about flexibility. It's about starting over. It's about being in alignment with what you're here to do in this lifetime. That's where we're going, and we're going to be going at an accelerated pace, especially when we get to the final one of these, which will be February 22nd, 22222. That's going to be a real hot one. So I'm going to be doing a free webinar that night. You can get it at shiftyoursoul.com. So go to shiftyoursoul.com. You can register for free. There will also be a recording if you can't join me live. So please register, and we'll make sure we get you that recording as well. So remember, be very cognizant of how you feel these days and pay attention to the messages that are coming in. That is going to be a critical piece of you really taking full advantage of all this high energy that's coming in, and that will be available for us. So again, don't overthink it. Don't question it. If you feel it and it feels right, trust your inner self, trust that inner guidance. That's when you can really take most advantage of what's going on here. So enjoy this month. It's going to be very, very exciting. It already is. But again, your body may feel some stuff. Be nice, be nurturing, take it easy. If you're not sleeping well, some people tell me they can't stop sleeping or they're not sleeping. Be nice to yourself. Drink a lot of water, hydrate yourself. Electrolytes are also going to be really good. So do everything you can do to be at your best as we prepare for these transitions that take place. I'll see you soon.